so I'm going to make another tiki lamp, and this is just several of the mini bottles that I have empty that I can use. This one I started on, put a little seashells and rocks in there. This one back here, this is the first one I made. You guys, I showed you the video on that one. I just added a little color to it, so that looks nice. And then this is the color kit I have. So the colors are yellow, red, and blue. And you know, these three primary colors, you can make several colors. I could put yellow and blue together, of course, and make purple. I could put yellow and red together and make orange. Let's see, red and blue, purple, yellow and blue makes green. Let's see, blue and yellow, yeah, blue and yellow, green, red, let's see, red and yellow, orange. Yeah, so, you know, primary colors, so you can get, you know, different colors, and you can make them different strengths, you know, as far as how vibrant the color is. You can make it like a deep blue or a light blue, you know, depending on how much of each color you use. So the bottles can also be decorated, guys. You know, you have like your, here's some pearl beads. That could be wrapped around the bottle. There's a lot of things you can do with these bottles as far as decorating. There's some little rhinestones. Let's see. You know, whatever you can think to decorate the bottle with, you know, you can use. Let's see. There's some. Okay, here's some white cording. I was looking for my cording this color. You know, this can be cut to whatever size you need, you know, to decorate the bottle with. You know, they have all kind of little like shells you can buy. I don't have any on hand, but you know, little different stuff you can decorate the bottle with, different ornaments and things of that nature. So hopefully I'll get a chance to put some of that stuff together and show you guys. Like I was saying, the bottles can be decorated. I tried to just wrap some of the white cording around so you can kind of get an idea of what I mean with the wrapping, the bottle decorating. So, I mean, whatever you desire to do, it could be done with these bottles. Okay, guys, I'm going to work on another tiki lamp, which of course you know is used to ward off mosquitoes. As you remember, the first one I made is this one. What I did, I just added a little color to it. So it's a pretty vibrant blue. Okay, and I'll show you how to add the colors to get the various colors in a second. Alright, so I'm not sure what size bottle I want to use this time. This is a bigger Douce bottle. And I've acquired a few more since then, thanks to my sons. They love Douce. I like Douce cognac too. This is another one, smaller one. So, smaller one like the first one I made. And then here's, this one is a bigger one. So I think I'm gonna keep it small so I can have matching bottles. And I'm going to make the colors the color of my furniture that's on the patio, which is like a blue and a green pillows that I have in my chairs. So, okay, let's see. Get started. So it's our bottle. Of course, we don't need the top anymore. Cognac in there. Hold on, guys. Let me rinse that. I thought I rinsed it well. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use the other Douce bottle. I still had some you know, a little drip of cognac in there. I don't know why it wasn't rinsed, but it wasn't, and it's gonna take forever to dry. So I'm gonna use another bottle. This is a taller bottle. It's a wine bottle that I picked up from St. Augustine in Florida, from the lighthouse. This is a pretty good brand too. Okay, so a much taller bottle than the first bottle that I used for the lamp. As you can see, a much taller bottle in size. So, but it's cool because I wanted to make one out of this one anyway. So we'll go on and work with that one. All right, so I did do a test prior to getting started, and as you can see, this wick, it actually is too short for this taller bottle. It won't stick out of the stopper. So what I decided to do was add a little cushion to the bottle, up to the bottom of the bottle. And what I'm going to do is use these little broke up pieces of shells that I picked up from one of the beaches that I was at. I think it was Vero Beach. So they're just like various little shells broke up. You know, the pavement, it was full of this stuff, and I just picked up a handful of them and brought back with me because, again, I'm a hobbyist and I can always use this for different things, and actually it worked out perfect. So I'm going to fill this bottle as much as I can just to bring the wick up a little bit. I want the wick to stand up at least about an inch and a half. That way I'll have enough room when I get ready to light the wick, you know, for it to peek out a little bit. So let me see if I can find a funnel so I can pour these shells in here. Okay, I couldn't find a funnel, guys, so I got the shells in here the best way I could. As you can see, they are in there. Okay, and that should be enough. So what I like to do first is try to soak the wick with oil. And again, we're using the oil specifically to make tiki lamps with just the torch oil, tiki torch oil. I got the Citronella scented. So I'm going to attempt to try to soak this wick with the oil as much as I can. I'm going to do it off camera because it is messy. So I'll probably more than likely stick this wick in a plastic cup and just pour slowly, you know, on the top of the wick and just try to soak it as much as I can. So I'll be back when I do that. From there, you just simply place the wick into the bottle. And then from there, you have the cap to cap it off, and I'm going to place a washer on one end of the cap. Let's see if I can put that on. Okay, that should be good enough. So place the wick on, the washer. That just basically, again, keeps the cap from sliding up and down, and this actually keeps the wick in place. Place it on top and position it down in the bottle. Okay, and that's actually sticking out perfect. It could be down a little further because the higher the wick, of course, the higher the flame. So I might play with it and you know, see if I can position it down within those shells a little more because I just want a little bit to peek out. And this is the leftover oil. See if I can pour that in there without making a mess. Okay guys, I skipped a step too, so let me undo this. So I'm going to take the cap out again, and then I'm going to put the oil in it in the bottle. I'm going to attempt to fill it up at least halfway to here. That should be good enough. Yeah, that should be good enough. So I got to undo this. color this too. I want to add some color to it. Why not? Alright, again, so this is, what is this? Red, blue, and yellow. So, let's see. What color would I like to make this? Wish I was live so you guys give me some suggestions. Let's see. Let's shoot for orange. Yeah, vibrant orange. Let's see. Okay, so what I did too was, you know, the primary colors, the red, blue, and yellow, you know, they make, those are the colors you need to make other colors. So what I did was brought up the primary color. Primary colors. Make sure you guys can see that. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, hopefully you can see that okay. And the primary colors again are yellow, red, and blue. So if you mix the yellow and blue, you can get these color variations. If you mix the blue and red, you can get these color variations, which is that should be much better. And then the yellow and red, of course, you get the, you know, deeper yellows going into the orange. Okay, and I'm sure you can get colors in between those two, you know, these different variations. So I think I'm gonna shoot for a, I don't know, between these two orange. So that'll be yellow and red. You guys, try to make sure you protect your surface too. Wear gloves if you can, because these colors, they do stain. So let's try to drop a red first. Alright, that's gonna be it. I'm not gonna force it. So we're gonna use 20 drops of that red, and I'm gonna put a few drops of yellow anyway, just to see. To be an oil-based color too. You can't add, of course, a water-based color to an oil. I don't like that color at all. Yeah. I can't even. That almost looks like a cognac. So I might be forced to add a little more red to it. Either this coloring is not right, or either the shell, I don't know if the shells is it, I don't know. It took too much. And this is not as much oil as I used in this one. Okay. And I didn't use that many drops in that one that I can remember. Okay. It might not look so bad anyway. There and kind of see what it does later on. Maybe the color might settle, I don't know. But so far, this is like a rust type of color, I think. Yeah, like a rust color. It's not too bad. I mean, it is colored, so okay, cool. We'll deal with that. I'll deal with that color. If I decide to add some more red to it later and yellow to try to get an orange, then I'll do that. So far we got almost like a wine color, a bright wine color red, so whatever. Okay, the only thing left to do now is to just attach the little cap that comes, distinguisher cap to distinguish the flame. Extinguish flame. And there you have it. Another tiki lamp. I could have filled the oil all the way to the top, but I mean, it's no need to waste it. Waste the oil. That's enough to, you know, keep the wick soaked. No need to waste it when you got so many other bottles you could fill. So, okay, I'm gonna come back, take it outside, and show you how it looks lit. Okay, so here they are lit. Color actually don't look too bad outside.